let's start with words and phrases. Okay. Can you see
Word
that?
and phrases?
Yeah, words and phrases.
Yeah, phrases.
Okay, so we will.
Please, just a
Yeah,
moment. And
yeah.
please, can you loud and it mic,
Again?
loud mic, okay?
Oh, you cannot hear me well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello?
It's okay. Okay. Good.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
Yes, okay, so you will repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the first word, balance.
Balance.
Okay, very good. Next one, this time, let's read the example sentence. Are you ready?
Okay.
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 Okay, so repeat after me. Okay, so I will
Yes.
read
Okay.
first.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
She's able to balance her career with her family life.
She is able to balance her career with her family life.
Wow, you pronounce very well. Okay, let's have
Okay.
the next
Thank
word.
you. Arigato.
Yes. Do you have any questions with that?
No so far.
And so far.
It's
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Let's move on to comprehension. Can you please look at the direction?
Okay.
Okay, this time let's move on to the listening focus. Okay,
Okay.
so I will read the three questions twice, okay, for you.
Yeah, it's okay. But only
Okay.
one,
Only one.
please.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so I will start. Let's have number one. What do 50% of women in Japan think about work? Let's move on.
Mm.
Okay, so this
Okay.
time we will listen to the article. Are you ready?
Oh, the article. Okay.
Yes, okay, so I will start the article now.
Yeah.
Women, Work and Marriage in Japan. A survey in Japan says around
Okay, this time let's proceed to answer the questions. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
I will read each question and you will answer them. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's have the first question. What do 50% of women in Japan think about work?
Okay. C. Get in the way of married wife.
Gets in the way of married life.
C.
Okay, very good. Okay, this time let's move on to read out. Okay, so
Read out.
yeah.
Okay.
So this time you will read the article aloud. Are you ready?
Okay. And it can I read slowly? It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. I see.
Okay, you may start.
Yes. Okay. Women, work and marriage in Japan. A survey in Japan.
Let's move on to the discussion.
Discussion.
Yeah.
Just okay.
Okay, so you
Okay.
will answer question freely.
Just a moment. Okay. Okay. It's okay.
Okay, let's start.
Discussion.
Yeah, discussion. So I will read each question and then you will answer freely. Okay, let's
Really.
freely. You will answer on in your own opinion. Okay, let's have the first question.
I see.
In your opinion, do women think that marriage is more difficult now than in the past? Why or why not?
Yes, I think so. And that marriage was not difficult in the old days, and because there were few women working outside,
Ooh.
and nowadays many women work outside even after marriage, and it is difficult to get married because they have to take care of children
Yes.
and housework
That's
and
what they think.
other work.
Okay. Okay, that's a nice opinion. Okay, so I will
Okay.
send a
What
sample
what
answer.
your opinion?
Okay, that's a very good answer. Okay,
Waray sa payang.
bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye. Thank you.